Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now these two Hot Wheels that I recently purchased from the vending machine. They are from a recent case. I don't know which case, L or M. This is the 2021 Ford Bronco. Now it first came out in blue color and I have that. And this is the secondary color, orange color. Front details with the word Ford Bronco, but they didn't do the headlights, and there is no rear lights. And also this need to be painted black, the front here, this part. I don't know what is this, some sort of handle. Now today I'm not going to open this, keep it in the cart. I'm going to open this. Now this is the AMC Rebel machine. Why do they call it that? So this is a machine. AMC Rebel is a muscle car from American Motors Corporation. Now just bear with me while I remove from the blister. Okay, this is the blister. AMC Rebel with the nice red wheels. Blue side deco. And this is the car. Blue side deco with the word Goodyear. Can you see it? And we have interior in black. I can't see the steering. It's too dark. Maybe from the top. Front lights, no. Rear lights, no. So, can I do the front lights? They have this silver. Just a dot of silver. And if you smear it a bit on the black part, just scrape it away because it is plastic. So I have front lights. Now the shape of this car is very unique. Why I say that? This looks like the front. It's more slope. And this looks more vertical, but actually this is the front. So this is a big muscle car. AMC Rebel. Now I first saw this casting, correct me if I am wrong, in the premium series in Forza in orange color, and I have that. Forza, so it's a metal metal base, metal body, rubber tires, and it looks very good. And I don't want to open that. That's why I bought this regular line, which I can open and enjoy. So there you go, AMC Rebel machine from Hot Wheels. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.